In this video, we will look at how to set up both loitering and pedestrian detection. To set up loitering and pedestrian detection, we go to the menu by clicking the three icons at the top left corner, then we select Remote Setting. From here, we select our camera, in this case front door. And then we select the fourth option, which is Event. We click on it again and then click on Event Setting. Now, here we have all our detection types separated into three categories: target detection, behavior analysis, and normal event. Please note, we cannot turn on pedestrian detection and loitering detection and motion detection all at the same time. One has to be on while the other two off. So let's say, for example, if we were to turn on pedestrian detection, we won't be able to turn on loitering detection or motion detection. If we try doing that, it'll prompt us to deactivate the first one and activate the second one. Now back to our video. To set up pedestrian detection, we click on the button to activate it as shown here, then click on the space beside the detection type to go into the setup menu. Now we're in the setup menu. Here we have the settings, schedule, and the alarm linkage. We will start with the settings option. When we select it, we get to this page. The first option is capture mode. You can choose to leave it on default, or you can change its detection to real-time mode or interval mode. You can also adjust the minimum and maximum pixel when detection occurs. You can also edit the sensitivity. You can edit the detection mode, changing it from hybrid mode to motion mode. And finally, we change the detection area, either leaving it as full screen, or we can choose user-defined. To do this, we click on User Defined and get these options. All we need to do is click on Rules and we'll be brought to this page. Click on the plus icon and now we will be able to edit the area for this detection. Once we're done, click on the back arrow, turn on Rule Switch and click on Save. Once it is successfully saved, you'll see Save Success. Clicking on the back arrow, we go back to the previous menu. Now we select Schedule. Here, we can select the schedule and time frame when we want detection to occur. If we click it, we'll be able to select the specific time of the day we want, as well as the specific days of the week we would like as well. Don't forget to always click Save whenever you make any change. Again, going back to the main menu, now we will be selecting the alarm linkage option. Here, we can set deterrence, siren, and email notification for this detection type if you want, simply by toggling on and off the button beside the detection type. Note: both siren and deterrence and email should have been configured prior to activating this button. If not, they won't work. This is how we set pedestrian detection for the doorbell on the Smart Guardian app. Now to set up loitering detection, like I mentioned earlier, we can't have loitering detection active at the same time as pedestrian detection. If I try to activate loitering detection, it'll prompt me to deactivate pedestrian detection before activating loitering detection. We do that by simply clicking on the Determine option, and it'll do the job for you. When this is done, like before, we click on loitering detection and go into its Setup menu option. We have a similar menu from before, and we can set up everything the same way as we saw before. This is how to set up and activate loitering detection on the Smart Guardian app. Thank you for watching.